So if we're gonna do a cube in one point perspective, the first step is to draw a horizon line. You'll need a ruler, you'll need your pencil, and an eraser. So first step, you draw a horizon line. And then next step, you pick a vanishing point. So let's just do like a little X there. And then we're going to draw a square underneath our X here. So we'll draw a square. So now that we have our square, we're going to connect 3 points of the square to our vanishing point here with our ruler. And this part we're going to kind of sketch it in sort of lightly because we're going to be erasing. These are just our guidelines. So we draw in these three guidelines that intersect with our vanishing point. So these are called diagonal perspective lines. And then now we're going to choose how far back our cube extends. So we're going to place a parallel horizontal, so parallel to the horizon line in the back of our cube. And then a parallel vertical line, so parallel with the side of the cube. And that is going to intersect with our two guidelines here. And then once we're done that, we can erase our guidelines and we'll be left with a cube in perspective. And so now we can just kind of practice drawing cubes in different areas of our paper just to see how they work with the perspective vanishing point. So just try drawing cubes in a few different spots just to get the hang of the vanishing point guidelines. So in 1 point perspective, all of the vanishing point guidelines are going to converge at the same point in the image. Doesn't matter where the cube is on the page, it's always going to converge with the vanishing point. And then you just got to make sure that you keep the lines of your cube parallel to one another, but within your guidelines. There you go.